Imagine a misty dawn breaking over a valley in Edo period Japan. Here, amidst the serene landscape, our story begins. For centuries, these magnificent cattle, known as Wagyu, were not a source of food, but essential partners in life and labor, their strength deeply woven into the fabric of rural Japanese agriculture. This bond was shaped by Japan's own geography. The mountainous terrain created pockets of isolation, allowing distinct and pure bloodlines of Wagyu to develop over generations. Each region cultivated cattle with unique genetic traits, a natural process that laid the groundwork for unparalleled quality. Then came the Meiji era, a time of profound change. As Japan opened its doors to the world, Western cattle breeds were introduced. A brief period of crossbreeding followed, but it soon became clear that the purity of Japan's native cattle was something truly special and worth preserving. Among these precious genetics, one line stood above all: the Tajima line from Hyogo Prefecture. This elite bloodline became the foundation for the world's most legendary beef Kobe. Its secret, an extraordinary ability to develop intricate, delicate marbling that melts at the touch. Today, that commitment to quality is upheld by one of the strictest grading systems on Earth. Every cut is meticulously inspected, with A5 representing the absolute pinnacle, perfect score for marbling, color, and texture. It's a guarantee of excellence born from centuries of dedication. From the quiet countryside to bustling port cities like Kobe, Wagyu's reputation grew, transforming from a national treasure into a global icon of luxury and culinary perfection. And finally, the culmination of this epic journey arrives on a plate. The sizzle as it hits the grill, the rich aroma, the way it dissolves in your mouth. This is more than a meal. It's a taste of history, a masterpiece of flavor, and the ultimate culinary experience. Thanks for watching.